Hi! In this video, you will see one of the available Brushmarker Pro color palettes, Sky Colors. This color palette is perfect for night landscapes. The wealth of shades makes it easy to blend them, even without the use of water or a blender. The markers can be applied directly onto paper. You can also use water to obtain the watercolor effect. Now you will see an easy way to make an effective illustration. First, I covered the sheet with lots of water. Remember to use thick paper if you want to dilute the markers. Then, I applied markers onto the wet paper to obtain the watercolor effect. You can also dilute the markers once the illustration is done to obtain more precise effects. Let us know in the comments whether you like the effect. Watch other videos on our channel. See you!